So in this video, I want to show you a trick on how to fix declining organic traffic on your website. Now, let's just say if your traffic is getting, 1,000+ impressions in the first 3 months, and then it is down to something around 500+ impressions in 4 months, and then it is going down like 100+ impressions in 5 months. Then the best way to do is, what you can do is, one, you can update all articles, check photo force, and redirect to home because we don't want to lose any user engagement, and update your SEO keywords, and what else? Update your meta data. That's it. So do this and try it. If not, then do it again. It should work.